Yes, I'll be teaching you how to earn money with this particular app called Discord. So when you open the interface, this is how the apps look like, where you be asked to perform a task. You can see $200 over here. So what's the first thing we have to do? Let's just go to Play Store. And before anytime I upload a video here, I make sure I've done enough research about the app, and the app or the service I'm giving you is legit. You can see the reviews here. The app has over 3k reviews, 3,000 reviews. It's rated 3 plus. It's having 100k downloads. You can read some of the reviews here. It said love this app, using the app, so many good reviews about this app. I've also tried. I just started, so let's open the app. So this is how the app looks like. When you open the app, the first thing you have to do is just press these 3 lines here and fill your details. As you can see, my name, my profile and everything. Just fill everything you have to fill here. Now let's go back. We have so many taxes here you can choose to perform and get paid. And one thing is, some of the taxes, they require 10 scouts. So when you submit your tax, they'll ask you for, okay, let's see this one, thinking small, so application. So the taxes, we want to know more about your work. Answer few questions to be considered for your usability test for a $10 cash reward. You may also be invited to complete a one-on-one live section in order to get paid. So as you can see, this tax is 5 minutes tax estimated. So when I begin the application, within 5 minutes I have to be done. So after which, if my application is qualified, I get paid $10. You understand? And we are having $50 application. We have $150 here. We have $200 here. We have $25 here. And the advantage of this tax is it applies anywhere in the world. When you're in Ghana, Canada, Kenya, Bulgaria, Australia, anywhere you find yourself, especially the Ghanaians in the diaspora, you can make or take advantage of this app. It's very promising and it pays, you understand? Just like the Premise app, I'll be leaving that one, the link in the description for you to also have a look at that app as well. So thank you. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll be willing to address you, answer your questions, and everything will be sorted. Thank you very much. Bye.